Maintaining Fairfax County's stormwater management facilities is a big job. The Maintenance and Stormwater Management Division needs more heavy equipment operators to get the job done.
The heavy equipment operators do more of the operating of the large equipment such as backhoes, loaders, track hose, track equipment. We are only running about 5 right now out of 10 positions, so we have 5 vacancies. And we try to keep these positions occupied because of the crucial need of having equipment on the sites to do the work. County's a little different than private. One thing is we come to work Monday through Friday in 6:30 to 3. Rain, snow, shine. We work every day.
Say like on rainy days, on the outside sector, they're going to send you home without pay. With the county, you're coming in and they're going to find something for you to do regardless.
What I like working here is the schedule. The past jobs that I've worked at, it's always been 12-hour days, and over here it's just 8 hours, and I get to go home and spend time with the family.
So you'll get a steady paycheck for working at the county.
I've been working here for a year and a half, and I've gotten 2 promotions. If
you come in as a maintenance worker position, you have the opportunity to promote yourself 15 times if you would like. We try to develop our staff as much as we can to help them gain better skills and knowledge to be able to go to that next level. The county also has great benefits: health insurance, life insurance, dental.
This job does offer benefits, and that was actually a big reason why I chose to come to the county instead of the private sector.
One of my favorite things about it is everybody helps each other here. I mean, everybody's one team.
This is a great place to work because we are a tight group, more of a family-oriented group in the maintenance operations. We like to have fun at work. You know, we like to get our job done.
My favorite time of day while I'm at work is getting in the truck and going down the road, delivering to different job sites. It's something that I'm passionate about, and I love being a lowboy driver.
I'd like seeing the major difference from the beginning of a job to the end of a job, and it's really impressive to see the difference.
The consistency of the work and the stability of the job and the opportunities to move your career forward here is a good reason for you to come to work with us and join our family.